Hey guys, today I want to show you eccentric pull-ups for beginners. So let's say you've never done a pull-up before and you're just like, man, I know you've talked about eccentrics before, nice and slow on the way down, but I just can't do that. My lats are not strong enough. One thing you could do you can always practice your lat pull downs. That's great. But another thing you can do is grab a bench or a box, something to help you get your chin above the bar, so then that way you can get that top range here. And what I'm going to have you do is put most of your leg weight on the leg that's on the box or the bench. So here, all you're going to be doing is coming down, putting as much as weight as you need for you to be able to go down nice and slow on the way up. And go ahead and help yourself push back up. So in the beginning, you might be using a lot more weight on this leg, and then as you progress, you'll be able to now eventually step off the box and be able to control yourself on the way down as well too. So just a little trick for you guys if you're like, yeah, I'm just not there yet. Start with that and then keep going from there. Again, make sure to hit those pull-ups at least 2 to 3 times a week if you're really trying to get the pull-up numbers up. The more you practice, the more you'll get better. Keep going with it. You guys are doing great. If you have any questions or anything at all, please let me know. Put them down in the comments. Thanks, guys. I'll see you next time.